Hello, happy Halloween. It is 31st of October and I'm on a 55-mile ride today. It is incredibly windy, so I've got a route that has me riding into a headwind for first like 25 miles or so, and then it's going to be a tailwind all the way home, which I am very much looking forward to. Because I'm going to have a tailwind, I'm going to go for a couple of PBs on a couple of climbs. I'm not going to go for Bigfoot KOMs because those times are ridiculous. They're held by hill climb champions, basically. But I would like to get on the first page on Strava on both Ide Hill and Star Hill from Bigfoot members. I need to take a big chunk of time off to do that, but that's my plan today. Colours are amazing. It's really nice riding at this time of year, as long as it's not too cold. I've kind of misjudged the temperature today. I think I've got too many layers on, but I'd rather be too warm than too cold. So let's crack on back into the headwind. You can see how fast these clouds are moving. Okay, let's crack on. So for this ride, there's only a small percentage chance of rain. And you know what else there's a small percentage of? Viewers who are also subscribers. If you've watched a few of these videos and you've enjoyed them, please consider subscribing. It really helps the channel out. Thank you. It is getting stormy. Clouds gone really dark. Very strong winds. Going into a headwind at the moment. I've got my rain jacket with me. I think I'm gonna need it on this ride. There's some incredible views on this ride. Just come out the bottom of Rexbury Lane and top of that hill. Stunning. So I've got my camera with me today as well, so I'm going to take a few snaps. And one thing that I wanted to try for a long time is a stick stand. So I'm going to try and prop up my bike with a stick and then take a photo of it with this nice background and see how that turns out. It has started spitting a little bit, but it's not quite rain jacket weather. It will be soon though, I think. Okay, well, it started raining. I'm not far from the bottom of Ide Hill, so I think I'm gonna wait and put my rain jacket on at the top if it's still raining. This is where the doubt starts creeping in. Like, can I do it? Can I get the PB? Like, yeah, I have a target time, but if I give it my best effort, whatever the time, I can be happy. All right, let's see how this goes. Just going past Bow Beach Reservoir. Get a lot of bird watchers. No. I can't do it. Calling it quits. The rain is ridiculous. There's only a small percentage chance of rain. I'm bailing on that one. And the rain has just started to absolutely pelt down. I need to put a rain jacket on. Damn it.
Ride abandoned due to bad weather.
And it is fairly chucking it down now. I don't know why my confidence is so low on the bike at the minute, that quite early on trying to go up that hill, I don't know if it's me just finding excuses. That might be the case. The rain starting to really pump it down just as I started. Might be it. But it's not the first time it's happened. I don't know what it is. Maybe I just need to persevere with it. I've still got Star Hill to try. I'm going to try and give that a proper go, despite the rain. We'll see how that goes. But I was in granny gear so early coming up Ide Hill, and I've done Ide Hill just purely in the big ring before. I don't know what's going on beyond the weather. Anyway, I don't think this is blowing over, so there's no point me sitting here for ages. I'm going to get back on the bike, head home. I've got about 20 miles to go until home. Okay, I'm not going for it on this one. My left leg is super crampy. I feel like a failure, but I just want to get home and have a cup of tea. Also, pretty sure there's meant to be a tailwind. There's no wind at all. Whew, well, that was a wet last half of the ride. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Hopefully when it's a bit drier. Bye.